Today we had our BAC regarding the business that has to be discussed, and in that BAC all the opposition MLAs we raised our voices and condemned J session 5 disa halle. On 24th of February there was a notification summoning the session of the from 27 to 31st, 5 days. So this was then curtailed simultaneously to 4 days. On 3rd of March there was another notification. So we condemned this. We told the Honorable Speaker that this is in bad precedence. We told that there are several issues that are pertaining to Goa and Goa's interest, and we asked him to extend the session to the next week. Dusra, we pointed out that on the 27th there are 19 departments, on the 28th there are 14 departments, on the 29th there are 16 departments, and on the 31st there are 13 departments. So these restrictions basically don't allow us to cover all the departments on that particular day. We also demanded that J sub-question, J limitation that these people have put on us of asking only 5 sub-questions, that should be increased to either 7 or 10. Since there will be no general discussion, is what we have been told by the Speaker and the Honorable Chief Minister. So we said that the calling attention generally they take up only 2. So there are several issues. So calling attention they have to take from 5 to 7 also. We requested him, and we are waiting for that. Secondly, we said that those answers they give, they have to give us within 48 hours. They are not giving these answers pertaining to LAQs. That answers they have to give within 48 hours. Also, they have to upload these answers on their portal so that we can download. If we seem to be tech savvy, all the MLAs are given CDs, and these CDs sometimes do not work. So we requested him that all these answers should be uploaded on the portal. Last time we had said that several bills were given or proposed just on the day of it being put. We said that this should not happen. So follow the system that is there in this business and procedure as a conduct house. Basically, you should follow that. Another thing that I pointed out was my letter of dissent that was given in writing last time. In the last BAC, it was not brought on record. So I asked them to bring this particular issue also on record. We discussed several issues as strategy. We also discussed how to go about the upcoming session. Basically, there are several issues today that are dear to the heart of Goans, and it is our responsibility as MLAs to raise these issues or voice out these issues. Failure of this government to withdraw the DPR relating to Mhadei, the failure of the government to place also the report of the Mhadei Monitoring Committee. Basically, this government has compromised, the Chief Minister has compromised our interest. You all know it is not how he has gone to Karnataka and campaigned for this Karnataka Chief Minister. And basically the entire state has erupted, and they are not bothered. They only want to do, first they were doing event management, now they want to do poll management. Looks like this is all a political fixing.